Hi viewers, welcome to my live session. Today Bank Nifty and Nifty 5 minutes time frame. There is a resistance here. That's why I marked it. If this resistance is broken, we can go and buy it. Looks like it is going to break the resistance here. I'm taking a trade here. Let me buy Bank Nifty. Nifty Bank futures. Buying 1000 quantity. The stop loss is below this previous day low. Okay, trade is 7,000. Okay, my target would be this candle's high. This candle. Okay. Whichever comes first. Okay. The high of the first candle is my target, and previous day low below that is my stop loss. This candle is my entry. At the close of this candle I took the entry. Today it's a narrow CPR in Bank Nifty, so we can expect some trending move. But let's see what will happen. Nifty is not giving us any fresh buy. There is no setup happening in Nifty today. Let's see our target will hit or not. Morning, one could have entered here, but the stop loss is very high, and the risk to reward ratio is very low. Like, see, this is the target. See, Bank Nifty is moving towards our target. If it breaks the resistance, then our target is, our day's high. I'm sorry, the first candle's high is our target. You can say this is, let's change this. Modify करते हैं इसको. Let me modify. I'll put 500. Remaining I will sell today's high. This point. Okay, done. to here, let's see how many points we can get. From here to here, 117. From here to here, approximately 189 points we can expect. 189. Let's see. 193 points precisely. This is the paper trade I am doing, so we can have control on our emotions. Just like a robo, we have to do. If we do this, we'll get confidence on our strategies. The strategy which I have used here is, see this candle, this green candle is closed above the 20 moving average and near to the pivot, this previous day high. So I entered here. Now my stop loss is below this pivot, and my target would be first candle's high and today's high. So two targets we have. Let's see what will happen. This is based on pure price action. We are placing this order. India VIX is in negative, it's red, so we can expect Indian market to be in green today. A lot of sideways movement is there in today's market. There will be a decay in premiums if you trade in option trading. Today it is best to trade in futures. Let's look at Nifty. Nifty is also trying to come up from today's lows. Look at Bank Nifty. High by 16 points from where I purchased. From where we bought 17 points, 15,000, 16,000, 14,000. Here there is no resistance. It will definitely, it is going to hit our target in few minutes. Our first target is today's first candle's high, and second target is today's high. The probability is, it's a high probability trade. It's going to hit. It's 60 to 70% probability is there that we are going to meet our targets. Somewhere Nifty must be stopping it. Nifty is also trying to break this resistance zone. There is a resistance here in Nifty. It has to break this zone. If this is broken, then our target would be here. There is another resistance here, right? Previous day high. This will be our first target, and the second target would be here. See, again there is a resistance. This is Virgin CPR. The Virgin CPR also will act as resistance. So this is the first target. Second target would be here. This. If this is broken, it has to break. If it enters the CPR, virgin CPR, it has to break this 17,517. Okay, to move more high. This is about Nifty. If you see Bank Nifty, some resistance is coming from here. Bank Nifty will definitely hit this. This is my yesterday's short in Nifty where I'm making loss. Okay, this is today. I'm making a profit of 7,000, 8,000. The probability of this trade to hit a target is very high. But to be in the safer side, we have kept a stop loss also. See the R1, from R1 some rejection is coming. It is moving sideways. If this is broken, the first target will be to the first candle's high, and the second target will be today's high. Thank you for watching my live session. If you are watching my live session, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If anybody is watching, please you can chat with me. There is another setup for which we are waiting actually. If a green candle forms below the low of the first candle, then it's a very high probability trade, that can take us today's first candle's high or today's high. If a candle would have formed here at this position, at this location, that would have given us good returns. But see, this has formed here in the midway. Somebody have taken a trade here. They could place a target of R1, and then they would have made some profit. This is a risky trade actually. So somebody have taken here. This would be a risky trade. But the trade which we have taken, it's a high probability trade. But the probability, as I said, high probability doesn't mean it's 100%. It's 60 to 70% probability trade. I'm in $4,000 profit. Since India VIX is negative, we can expect positive moves in Indian market today. Reliance is down, that's why Nifty is also going down. Let's see the components of Bank Nifty. The contributors. All are in green. SBI, RBL, PNB, Kotak, Indus India Bank, IDFC First Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Federal, Bandhan, Axis, AU Small Finance Bank. All are in green. So 0.39% up. Let's check it in money control. You see the contribution. See more. Okay. ICICI Bank, Kotak is up, SBI, Axis, they're all moving that up. See the down indices. Bank Nifty today. Federal Bank, RBL. I have entered a Bank Nifty at this position, at this location. I have entered Bank Nifty, and this is my stop loss, and these are my targets, target 1 and target 2. Let's see how it will go. It will touch, because it's a high probability trade. If not today's high, at least it has to touch the first candle's high. Otherwise, we have a stop loss. We have to work like a robot. We should not have any emotions. When we see the proper setup, we enter and we will trade. We'll put our stop loss, we'll put our targets. That is it. If for example you are trading in one lot, you have to have your stop loss in mind, like how much you can afford to lose, like 10 points, 20 points, and what is the target also you have to have in mind and place it. Never compromise with your targets, because the setup is giving you that. You have to go with the setup. One can see it is coming down and going high. That is how market behaves. This is now, the time is at 11 o'clock. It's 11. So at 11 o'clock, we may not expect huge movements in the market. Maybe at 12, 1, 1:30, 2 o'clock, like that. We see huge movements. by looking at the CPR and looking at the trend of the market, we can say that this will go high. It will touch today's first candle's high or today's high. So let us see what will happen. I will come back later. I am ending the live session here. Once it is nearing and entering that zone, I will again start the live. Thank you for watching.